What if I told you that there's a way to get more of your prospects to show up to your high-ticket sales calls, but also make sure that they're primed and ready for that call? As a high-ticket coach or consultant, your time is invaluable, and there's no bigger frustration than prepping for a sales call only to have someone fail to show up. Honestly, it can happen a lot if you're not doing the right things. Well, today I'm going to be sharing proven strategies to dramatically increase your show-up rates and enroll more deals than ever before. So why do some prospects not show up for their scheduled sales calls, even after they seem committed and excited at first? Truthfully, the reasons can range from simple forgetfulness to deeper, more psychological barriers. Now, understanding the reasons that people don't show up to sales calls can help you avoid this problem in your business and ensure that more of your leads show up and are ready to engage meaningfully in your sales process. But simply understanding isn't enough. After all, what's more important, getting every prospect who schedules a call to show up, or just the ones ready to say yes to what you offer? See, for any high-ticket business, identifying your ideal clients is crucial for your success, and it can help you focus your time, money, and energy on the right leads. Qualified leads aren't just about financial readiness, they're a mix of attributes that make them perfect for your business offer. So here are the attributes that the highest quality leads have and what to look out for in your potential prospects. Focusing your marketing and sales efforts on prospects who meet these criteria will allow you to fill your sales pipeline with people that are likely to show up for calls and are in a position to actually commit. Filtering out prospects based on these qualifications can transform your sales strategy and lead to higher conversion rates and ultimately more successful deals. But here's the really interesting part. People that aren't qualified to actually enroll in your offer oftentimes are the people that won't even show up to the call to begin with. So a lot of the people that are no-showing your calls and taking up valuable space oftentimes are potentially people that aren't fully qualified. So vetting your calls can actually lead to a much higher no-show rate. Some people are concerned about that. They say, oh, well, the calls that I do have aren't really showing up, so why do I want to cancel low-quality calls? Well, the reason you want to do that is you want to give more room and more opportunity for those people that are higher quality, and oftentimes the people that don't show up, the people that aren't high quality, are one in the same. But how do you actually streamline this process? Well, what you can set up is an automated qualification process. See, automation can significantly enhance your lead qualification and allow you to ensure that your sales efforts are focused where they need to be. What you can do is something called lead scoring. A lead score system assigns a point based on leads and their prior actions and all the information they submit, like in an application form where they share more details about themselves, their business, or their life, or whatever it happens to be. A good way to make the scoring system is to look at your favorite clients, then from there see who those people are, what traits they have in common, and then look at what they did before they became a client. And then what you can do is look for signs that this is a qualified person. Now, this is going to allow you to improve your follow-up strategies by making them more personal, which is going to increase the chances of a successful sales call. You also want to have automated communications. Another important part of the qualification process is having those communications automated. So these are automated emails or messages that are triggered by specific action the leads take. So if they book a call, reminders to fill out their application. If they fill out their application, they're not a good fit, there could be cancellation emails. So whatever it happens to be is all automated in the background. This is going to help your business stay top of mind with the qualified leads and also automatically disqualify leads that aren't a good fit. So what about those prospects who have already booked a call? What can you do to get them more likely to show up? Well, there's a couple key things. You can send email reminders to get people to actually go ahead and confirm their booking and make sure that people click a button, maybe an automation, that allows them to confirm that they're actually going to show up to the call. What you can do is auto cancel them if they don't confirm that. So if you're running into a lot of problems, you can send these automatic emails that require them to confirm their call before it's fully confirmed. That's going to allow you to make sure that they're actually going to show up. Now, you also want to make sure that you're sending sales reminder messages to actually get people to show up to that call. You want to send booking reminders. You can do that via email, but also via text works really well. Even the most interested prospects can sometimes forget about scheduled calls. That's why you want to remind them everywhere so that they prioritize that appointment with you and make sure that they actually show up to the call. You also want to have cancellation and rescheduling policies clearly communicating that you expect people to reschedule whatever it happens to be, let's say 24 hours in advance, and if they happen to cancel, that you may not be able to hop on another call with them if there's not a valid reason. That's going to help protect your time and make them take the call more seriously. But there's something else that you can optimize to leave a lasting impression on your prospects and encourage them to show up on your call, and that's your thank you page. The thank you page is the page that prospects are taken to after they book a strategy call. Now, this is going to be that first point of post-booking interaction. It's an important opportunity to reinforce their decision, maintain momentum, and build anticipation for the call. Here's how to design an effective thank you page. First, you want to congratulate them. Don't just say thank you, make the prospect feel genuinely congratulated and appreciated for taking this important step. Reinforce the value and breakthrough they're going to experience on the upcoming call based on their specific goals and pain points, and use enthusiastic language to build anticipation. You also want to have a video. A personalized 2 to 3 minute long video allows you to put a face and voice to your brand while reaffirming their decision. Outline any immediate next steps, like confirming the calendar invite, and most importantly, speak directly to their motivations for booking the call and what they can expect and what they'll get. This removes any potential confusion around prerequisites, like filling out forms, replying to emails, or additional things. You also want social proof, strategically incorporating a couple testimonials or case studies that validate your expertise for the specific circumstances. Seeing other success builds trust that upcoming call will be valuable and impactful. Having a thank you page with these elements can turn it into a powerful tool that enhances your prospect's commitment and anticipation for scheduling calls and leads to higher show-up rates. If you're running into problems with no-show rates or maybe lower quality leads, well, YouTube ads and video marketing can be the best way to attract the right people. If you're a high-ticket coach or consultant looking to skyrocket your leads and sales from paid traffic and online marketing, I invite you to book a video discovery call with a member of my team using the link down below. And this is an opportunity to discover how we can tailor our strategies to suit your business, your needs, and help you scale. So click that link in the description to book your call now, and we're going to help you transform your approach to sales and marketing together to propel your business to new heights. Make sure to like this video if you found it valuable, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next video.